Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game not launching or stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, crashing at startup, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that you have to select your game from home screen. After that press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for the game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check for an update option, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear persistent storage. For that you have to open settings on Xbox, then select device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, then choose clear persistent storage. After that launch the game and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it choose clear system cache. At last confirm it by pressing yes. Next is to check internet connection. For that open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, click on test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to perform power cycle. For that press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings in your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next to go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that add the account again and then check if the game is launching or not. Next is to check storage. For that press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next method is to reinstall Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game. For that press Xbox button, go controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight, press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight official website and download the game. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.